Have you ever wanted to address your furry feline friend in Italian? Well, you've come to the right place. The word for cat in Italian is
gatto,
plural.
gatti, gatto,
Although it's a masculine noun, you can transform it into the feminine
gatta,
plural
gatte,
if you're referring to a female cat. A kitten is simply known as a
gattino,
masculine or a
gattina,
feminine, which translates as little cat. If you're specifically talking about a tomcat, you can use the term,
gatto maschio,
whereas the big cats such as lions,
leoni,
leopards,
leopardi,
and tigers
tigri,
are known as
felini,
singular.
felino.
This is where we get the word feline in English. A house cat that rarely ventures outdoors is called a
Gatto domestico,
whereas a stray cat is referred to as a.
gatto randagio,
The most common type of cat is the
soriano,
tabby cat, and we personally adopted an abandoned
gatto rosso,
ginger cat a few years ago who has since become a beloved member of our family. And I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm an
amante dei gatti,
the word for cat lover in Italian. Another useful term is
gattara,
which refers to a woman who takes care of stray cats. You can also use the masculine,
gattaro,
but the feminine version is more common. If you're about to adopt a cat or already own one, below is a list of Italian words you will need to know before their arrival.
lettiera,
Litter box,
gattaiola,
cat flap,
cibo per gatti,
cat food,
pensione per gatti,
cat kennel,
erba gatta,
catnip,
giocattolo per il gatto,
cat toy,
tiragraffi per gatti,
scratching post,
fare le fusa,
to purr.
mamma, io voglio un gatto.
Mom, I want a cat.
Il gatto ha fatto la pipì sul divano.
The cat peed on the sofa.
Stavo accarezzando il gatto e ha cominciato a fare le fusa.
I was stroking the cat and it started purring.
Quando il gatto manca, i topi ballano.
When the cat is away, the mice dance. When the cat is away, the mice will play.
Non dire gatto se non ce l'hai nel sacco.
Don't say cat before you have it in the bag. Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Essere come cane e gatto.
To be like a dog and a cat. To fight like cats and dogs.
Avere 7 vite come i gatti.
To have 7 lives like cats. To survive danger or illness. To be resistant. In Italy, they say that cats have 7 lives, whereas in Anglo-Saxon countries, they say they have 9.
Quando il gatto non arriva al lardo, dice che puzza.
When the cat does not reach the fat, it says it stinks. When somebody adopts a negative attitude to something because they cannot have it themselves.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.